Hello everyone, this is Ankan Banerjee and today I have come with a very interesting question from trigonometry and the concepts of 3D objects, where we have to deal with a sector of a circle which is to be folded in the form of a cone. As per the question 20, focusing on it, a sector of a circle of radius r of angle theta is folded in the form of a hollow cone. If the semi-vertical angle of the cone is given to be sine inverse 1 by 3, then the theta value is. Okay, now we have to find the value of theta. Means suppose this is the sector of the circle, we have to find this angle, this particular angle. Now we are all aware of the formula, that is S equals to r theta. The radius is given in the question as small r here, so S equals to r theta. R is given here, so this length S is this one. This is S. This particular length, also including this also, this particular length is S, so we have to know the particular length. So just keeping this aside, now we have to fold this in the form of a cone, attaching this particular radius together. We have folded it in the form of a cone, knowing its slant height, that is small r. If you just see it in this manner, see, they are same. If this is small r, if this is smaller, then this slant height is also smaller. So we are not known with the radius of this particular cone, so we can assume it to be capital R. We can assume the length of this radius of the cone to be capital R. So if that is capital R, moving to the question, we are given this particular angle, that is sine inverse 1 by 3, sine theta 1 by 3, so we can compare with the height by hypotenuse, obtaining capital R by R. Height theta, height by hypotenuse, hypotenuse, height. So capital R by small r, that is 1 by 3, so capital R is small r by 3. So we obtain that this is r by 3, small r by 3. Okay, so if this is small r by 3, so we know the perimeter of this circle, the bottom of the cone, this thing, this is r by 3. So the perimeter is supposed to be 2 pi r by 3. Now we knew that r theta is equal to S. That means if this was the segment, this particular thing is S. So we have to equate this with this. So theta would be getting S. You would be getting it as pi r. On cancellation, we obtain 2 pi by 3. So it is absolutely right, because we had the sectors to be 120 degree. See, 90 plus 30, 120 degree, with the segment, this particular length, to be 2 pi by 3 r. Like that way we obtain the cone of semi-vertical angle as sine inverse 1 by 3. So theta is 2 pi by 3. Theta means this angle, 90 plus 30, 120 degree. So in this manner also we can solve this particular question. I have the 2D illustration here of how I have done the procedure, attaching this particular r with each other. This is being attached to obtain a cone. This radius we just now obtained r by 3. So let us write down here. So in this way also we can solve this particular question. This question is simple but yet very interesting to solve. Thank you.